Today we're going to show you how to build a wall diagonal corner cabinet. This procedure can be used to build the majority of our cabinets here from Cabinet Stone. And without further ado, let us proceed. First thing you got to do is separate all the pieces, obviously, to make sure that you know where all the pieces are going. The pieces he's putting to the right are the side pieces. Make sure you don't lose any of the smaller accessories. That is the front door. Another side panel. And one of the shelves.
Alles going to be YouTube success.
We're going to start building the cabinet from the front back. Start by administering the glue to all the grooves around the cabinet. Now we're going to get one of the side pieces and administer glue only to the top and bottom grooves. And we're going to lock in the cam locks. Make sure to screw them in with a flathead or a Phillips. Do the same thing to the other side. Next, we're going to put in one of the bottom pieces. Make sure the cam lock is facing outside so then you can screw that in. And follow the same procedure for the other side. Now we're going to put in one of the side panels. And again, administer some glue to the bottom and top grooves. tighten the cam locks inside that hold on to the side panel. Again, do the same for the other side. And wipe off any excess glue you may have on the cabinet. Now put your hand inside and tighten the cam locks, holding it to the other side of the panel. Make sure to press the two pieces together so then you could get them as tight as possible. And now you could go ahead and slide in the rear panel of the cabinet. Make sure to put the finished end inside the cabinet. Now we're going to go ahead and reinforce the cabinet with some extra screws. Make sure and try to screw the rear panel into the cabinet, making sure you're not screwing outside. Proceed to the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and put some staples around the edges of the cabinet. Try your best to put them at equal length around the sides. Do the same to the other side. Clean off any glue that may have seeped inside. And if you've done it correctly, you should have a completed cabinet. Once you have completed the cabinet, all you need to do is putting these shelf pins into the little holes inside the cabinet. Make sure once you put those in to adjust them to your convenience. And regards to shelf, make sure that the finished end is pointing outside.